Okay, so for this one, it's a little bit of a hack, and I'll demonstrate why the technique is why I'm calling it a bit of a hack. That means I'm kind of improvising to get this to work right. We'll go ahead and start by going to the level 1 again. I'll zoom out until I can see my walls here. This is where I want to build this one. I'm going to grab the wall tool. I want to use an exterior, let's say we'll use a generic 5-inch. I'm not getting an indication that the end of the wall really doesn't matter. What I do want to do is I'm going to get this wall out of the way temporarily. I'm just going to move it. I'll move it up 20 feet. And then I'll move it over 20 feet. That way I'll know if I want to get it back to the same position. Actually, I'll just move it over 40 feet. And now we'll go to a 3D view so you can see where we're at. This needs to go up to 20 feet. So right now it's constrained to level 2. We'll go unconnected to 20 feet. That'll make it match the other one that I'd made previously. And now we're going to edit that. We're going to edit the profile, or I could have double clicked it. And this time we'll make an octagon. No, octagon is 8, so this is 6-sided polygon. And we'll click that done. Now we want to put some glass in it. So we've got to figure out how to do that. So what I'm going to do is try to insert any piece of curtain wall I can, glass storefront curtain wall, in this little tiny space in here. And I don't want it to touch the edges because I want to be able to go and modify that profile by pulling it out and have it show up really nicely. So let's first go back to level 1. There's the wall that we're working on. I'm going to go to architecture, wall, grab our curtain wall, or excuse me, our storefront. I'll sneak right in here. I just put the littlest piece of glazing in. Let's go back and look at it in a 3D view. You can see it's connected up in the top and the bottom. And what I'm going to do is just pull that down on both ends. And we're going to go right to the south elevation now, so we're looking directly at it. And I'm going to double click on the outside of it. Let me undo that because that was a quick move. I'm going to grab this. You'll notice sometimes you grab this, sometimes you grab the outside. If I select the outside, it'll allow me to edit the profile. Now we need more lines than we have here, so we could just about delete these completely. And we'll walk around this grid. Really just completely redefining that curtain wall or that storefront that's going to go in. Let me fix this edge that I screwed up here. We'll click done. A warning will come up that some of the things that were created in the last drawing can't be used again. And that's no problem. We're going to set delete element. And we'll go to the 3D view. And there we have that inserted in. Then I could just bring the other one over, but I won't bother you in the video clip doing that. So we'll take a last look at this idea of putting a patterned wall over a glazed wall behind it.